All right, folks, today we're diving into the magical world of packing lists and shipping labels. And no, it's not as boring as it sounds. In fact, by the end of this, you might just become the person who corrects the warehouse guy when he says, "Hey, close enough." We're talking about AGen's packing list verification and shipping label printing solution. The tech upgrade your packing department didn't know it desperately needed. Picture this. You're on a production line, ready to go, and boom, wrong item. It's like ordering coffee and getting a durian smoothie. Result? Delays, extra costs, inventory going all wonky, and customers giving you that tone over email. Oh, and good luck tracing where it went wrong, unless you've got time to scroll through security footage for 3 hours. Our mission? Simple. Streamline packing, eliminate mistakes, and make sure every box leaving your warehouse is exactly what the customer ordered. No more oops, wrong box moments, more accuracy, less operational cost. And yes, we'll even make your shipping labels look sharp. Now here's the current reality. Manual packing list checks are slow, error-prone, and make people wish they'd taken up fishing instead. Mistakes lead to unhappy customers and awkward apology emails. And shipping label generation? Totally disconnected. It's like peanut butter and jelly living in separate houses. Here's the fun part. AGen lets you import packing lists straight from ERP. Then you pack small cartons into big cartons. You know, like Russian nesting dolls but with cardboard. Scan the packing list, verify each item with a barcode scan, confirm completion with a digital checklist, and yes, record the whole process for audits. Then, label prints automatically, you slap it on the box, snap a final pic for proof, and ship it off. Smooth. When it comes to key features, we're talking packing list uploads, barcode verification, digital checklists, automatic label printing, and complete audit trails. Basically, it's like giving your packing team superpowers, but without the tights. Accuracy up, returns down. Faster labels, better traceability, and fewer customer complaints. And remember, happy customers don't just come back, they bring friends. We keep it quick and painless, first week with requirements gathering, and the following weeks with system design, development, and integration, testing and training, and finally deployment and support. 5 weeks to change how you pack forever, faster than most office printers can warm up. Of course, we've got the gear, barcode scanners, mobile printers, Wi-Fi, webcams, basically a tech arsenal for packing like a pro. And yes, our software plays nice with all of them. So what's next? Schedule a meeting. Let's talk integrations, confirm your label designs, and get you packing like the pros. Because if there's one thing worse than sending the wrong item, it's explaining to your boss why the VIP customer just got a box of staplers instead of the new product launch. Let's make sure that never happens. This is AGen packing list verification and shipping label printing solution. Accuracy you can trust, labels you can brag about, and a packing process so smooth, your warehouse might just throw a party.